Lahat ng apo ko, pinakamabait siya.
Ah, talaga po.
Oh, she's very thoughtful.
Hindi ko alam kung hindi ka naman pwedeng boomer, hindi ka rin pwedeng millennial.
Hahawakan pa kita, sabi niya. Hindi na. Kasi
Ayan.
hindi na raw ako makakalakad. Baka mamanggaraw ako. Sabi ko, nakakalakad na ako.
Team EK Jonard here. Susunduin natin sila Ma'am LJ sa Terminal 1 sa Narita. So medyo malakas yung ulan ngayon. February 23, magpo-4 na. Sunduin natin sila Ma'am LJ. It's okay, sir. You can put it there. Okay. Dito na lang po kayo, ma'am. Hello po, ma'am. Sir, nice to meet you po. My name is Jonard, ma'am.
Jonard?
Yes po. Nice to meet you po. Yes, ma'am. I'm half Japanese and Filipino po. Yes po. My father.
Have you lived in Japan?
16 years and total of approximate 22 years because I studied here. Yes. So this. Nihongo dekimasu ka? Sugo.
We can speak English. Or
Yes. Actually, I'm more fluent in Japanese than in English.
Oh, too.
Tomorrow is your free time?
Yeah, tomorrow we have some free time and my daughter's graduation. Our daughter's graduation.
Technically, it's not a free time.
Yeah,
Wow,
she's
nice.
gonna be busier than me.
Congratulations. So your daughter lives here po?
Yeah, she lives here.
Matagal na rin po siya hindi umuwi sa Pilipinas po.
Hindi naman, parang 5 years.
5 years.
Alam mo naman na.
So excited din po siya umuwi ng Pilipinas. So madami pa po siyang mga relatives sa Pilipinas.
Marami pa.
Wow. Pero bihira po kasi sa atin yung umaabot ng ganyang edad po, kaya very nice po talaga. Dito sa Japan, madami pong mga elderly po eh.
Yung lolo ko namin namatay 104.
Wow! Talagang ano po talaga, nasa genes. Nasa lahi. Okay, I'm gonna open the door po. Ako na po, ma'am. Pasok na po si ma'am. Si
Malamig.
Lola. Opo, malamig.
Okay na?
Apa.
Maraming salamat po. Galing kay Grandma. Para daw
Thank you po. Thank you so much po. Samahan ko po kayo magdala doon. Sige po. Enjoy po. Yes.
You got a haircut or did you change your hair?
Tara po. Okay na po.
Thank you.
Congratulations po.
Thank you.
Only child lang po ba, ma'am? Wow.
Isa lang sakit sa ulo. How's our itinerary? Because you know what, Jonard,
Yes,
I
po.
didn't think through too much about this because, it's drama, right? I mean,
Apa.
she has limited things. If she said, I'm done, right?
Mm.
So what's gonna be our options? What's our
First, we're gonna go to Shiba Sakura Festival.
Festival.
Yes. Actually, the Shiba Sakura
Say it in Tagalog so Grandma can hear. She has her hearing aids.
Doon po sa Shiba Sakura, ano po, seasonal po yung Shiba Sakura and it starts from April until May lang po. So, maganda siya, kulay pink po lahat ng lugar and it's quite good to have a chill lang po doon.
Yeah, that's good.
Then our
Mama love flowers.
Opo, yun. Mostly flowers po yung nandun. Then next is Shinohakai po. It's like a old Japanese village.
It's not a Kawagoe, a different one.
A different one.
She likes that. That's probably.
Yeah, she was probably there when they built it.
Actually, there's a history about that village.
Yeah.
So we can go there. Then if you want some lunch, in Yamanashi, yung pinaka sikat po sa kanila is called Hoto.
Oto?
Opo.
Wow.
Thick udong
Wow.
with the vegetables in it.
They for sure have ramen in there too, right?
No, different.
They have ramen
If
there
it's an
too?
udon
Or
shop,
just-
it's
It's-
udon. If it's
Oh, I
ramen,
didn't
it's
know
ramen.
that.
Which one do you want?
No, we're gonna go do what she
Okay.
said.
Actually, the Hoto one, it's only served there sa Yamanashi Prefecture.
Wow.
Here, they don't have Hoto. Yun lang po.
Special.
Yes.
And then she wants for the uncle like maybe some senbei or some if they have some place for the
Yes, yes.
omiyage for that.
Yes, we can go.
My uncle in the US, he wants
Mm.
like crackers, cookies to drink, to eat with his coffee and
Okay
tea.
pa. Maybe our last stop, Oshinohakai. Also an old Japanese village, but there's a lot of stalls, foods, and souvenir shop.
Tapos, saan yung may background tayo ng
Just
Fuji?
tuna.
Actually, all of those meron pong background ng Fuji. Hopefully, yes po.
Kasi medyo, cloudy.
Sana nga po.
Baka naman maawa si Lord kay Grandma.
Yes po.
You have a sandwich?
Thank you so much po. I already ate my breakfast po. Thank you po.
He's Filipino din. Tell him your story why you end up in Japan.
Yeah, I was the Mormon Kyo.
I haven't heard of it. Kyokai. You're based in Osaka po dati.
Missionary ba?
Opo, opo. Which place do you prefer po, sir? Osaka or here?
I like Osaka.
Ah,
Yeah,
Osaka.
the food.
Mm.
Food is really good. And the people are like so friendly
Ah,
compared to Tokyo. It's like different. It's more. Have you been to Osaka?
yes, yes. Actually, we also toured there.
Oh, do you like it?
Yes, actually, I like Osaka too.
Yeah, it's more loud.
Yeah. Yung image ko po sa LA parang more on Tokyo po. Hindi po pala. More on New York po pala ang LA. Ang Tokyo is more on New York.
In LA, like randomly people will talk to you in the grocery store, say hello,
Oh.
make a small talk. Not in New York, if they don't know you, they don't care. I'm
Ah.
not gonna waste my time.
Parang Tokyo nga. Like a busy ano.
Yeah, Osaka.
Mm.
Osaka, when you see somebody, like you know that's their home.
Mm.
They're welcoming and
Yes.
different culture.
Every province they want to go here po kasi sa Tokyo.
Yeah, the money.
Yes.
Do you also do winter tours?
Yes po.
Wants to go to Hokkaido.
Yes, actually.
You do?
Yes. Sige po.
You do the skiing?
Ski, I'm not good at. Actually, first time I tried, lagi po akong
Oh,
tumataob.
that's normal. It's okay.
My body aches.
You do snowboard or ski?
Snowboards.
Oh, you're very Americanized.
And
Snowboarding started in the
Japan
US.
too. No, I know, but Japan they love
Oh,
snowboarding.
because in the 80s, that's what
Mm.
they wanted to be. They're welcoming with the Americans.
For sure.
Jonard, we should go. Up on the planet.
last year, December, I have 2 batches of tour there. I went there to tour them.
For the Filipinos?
Mostly my clients is Filipino. Hello, good morning. Blessed day, everyone. Team EK Jonard here. So, tour natin sila Ma'am LJ with her husband. Tsaka kasama niya rin yung kanyang 95 years old grandma. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mount Fuji. So, nag-stop over lang tayo sa service area. Hindi ako nakapag-intro kanina. Nakalimutan ko. So, ayan. Wait natin sila. Nag-CR lang. Dito tayo sa service area. Napakaganda ng service area dito. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. So, ayan. Let's go. So, dito hindi nyo pa siguro makikita ng pero kita yung tip niya. So, sana dun sa pupuntahan natin sa Shiba Sakura, kita siya. So, we're here at Shiba Sakura with Ma'am LJ and Grandma.
Grandma's 95 years old. How old are you, Grandma?
Wow!
Wave ka, Grandma. No hands.
No hands? How was it po?
How is it?
Beautiful. Ang kagandahan dito sa Shiba Sakura, ayan, pwede niyong dalhin yung mga aso niyo. May dog run din sila. Ayan, ang cute-cute ng mga aso. Pwede silang magtakbo-takbo doon. Wow, ang haba ng pila. Ito pong pinipilahan nila po. Ayan, yung pwede silang mag-pictures doon sa boat. Tapos kita si Mount Fuji. So let's walk around here first.
We don't care about the boat. We're fresh off the boat. We don't need to be on the boat.
Yes, ayan, ang ganda ng Mount Fuji. Picture natin si Grandma. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tulips po. Tulips.
Actually,
Very nice po, no? Picturean ko po kayo. There's some Fuji in the background. 1, 2, 3. Ganda. You want to see the tulips?
Yeah.
Okay.
ayun ba?
Peter Rabbit English Garden. Hanap nila, sir, yung Sakura Churros. Saan niyo po nakita yung Sakura Churros po?
Pagbukas namin, ayun. Lumabas si Sakura.
Ayun. Kamusta po ang tour natin?
It's very nice.
Very nice po.
Yeah, very nice. I experienced very nice. I can tell the people in the Philippines what I have experienced.
Oh, nice.
And among my grandchildren, they do not experience this kind of Yeah.
Enjoy naman po kayo dito sa Japan.
Oo. Lahat ng ako ko pinakamabait dyan.
Ah, talaga po.
Oh, she's very thoughtful.
Kayo po, saan po kayo nakatira?
Saka Vallejo, California.
California din.
Oo. Daughter ko naman.
Kamusta po ang buhay sa Amerika?
It's okay naman. Experience everything.
Talaga po. Anong sikreto niyo po sa edad niyo po na 95 years old?
Oh, I have plenty of vitamins and until now I'm taking medicine for high blood. Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers.
Hindi ko alam kung hindi ka naman pwedeng boomer. Hindi ka rin pwedeng millennial.
Kamusta po yung Sakura Churros? Madaming kainan din dito sa Shiba Sakura Festival. So mas maganda talaga dito maaga. So ayun, medyo 8:30 na kami nakarating pero ngayon sobrang dami ng tao. Kami kumain sa Peter Rabbit English Garden. Nag-order sila ng churros. Ayan sila.
It's getting warm.
It's getting warm. He's here again. Mount Fuji is here again. Mount Fuji hides again. Blossom pang natitira dito. Let's have a picture. 1, 2, 3. Let's go there. Say hi to the video. Hello. Nice. Arigatou gozaimasu. Tingnan niyo po yung nasa right side natin. Mga papasok pa lang po sila. The line is very long.
Yeah, if you told us to wake up at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. too.
So, ang haba na po neto.
Grabe, oh my God.
And the saddest part is they can't see Mount Fuji anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Can you forward a little bit pa? Ayan, perfect. 1, 2. Okay, sir, you can join. 1, 2, 3. Perfect pa.
Oh, they have wheelchairs. There you go. That's pretty cool.
You can enter po sa every booth po.
Oh.
You can enter that yung Erosion Control Museum. This may history po kasi itong lugar na to. So during 1966 po, nagkaroon ng typhoon, merong nag-prenup. Panahon po siguro ni Lola to. 1966 po eh.
Oh, 1966. Grandma was born 1930.
Wow, 36 years old siya.
Yeah. Grandma, you probably remember this one. I climbed that already 2 times. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm gonna take you there next.
Kaya po mag-stairs?
Wow! Grandma, din tayo nagpuin sa may dalang po. Umaura ka doon.
Dito rin ma'am, pwedeng umupo dito sa may bakod eh.
So, kung ngayon tayo o doon. Huwag ka mag-alala, Grams, mas matanda ka sa bahay na yan. Kung yung bahay na yan, nakatayo pa, tatayo ka din, ha? Hindi tayo maganda yung window, oh. Kasi mas mababa. Ako yung hiningal sa'yo.
Open on the other side.
Yes, you can actually go inside, but you can sit here
I
also.
want a photo first. This is cute.
Take a little break.
And then, pa-picture tayo maganda yung araw siya. Medyo maging maputi.
Okay lang po kayo? Okay?
Dagi, ang cute.
Chuan ka po kayo.
Sabik sa luwang bahay.
1, 2, 3.
Dito naman tayo, pihit sa kaliwa.
1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. There's a Mount Fuji dun.
Oh, yeah. Let's see.
Oh, yeah. Guys, pasok tayo. Dali, pasok kayo sa bahay nila.
Yes, you can enter.
Kikain tayo.
Yes, madam. Shoot out po. Pag nangangapit bahay, dapat.
Careful.
This Fuji's here will be beautiful.
Yes.
Wow.
You can eat dinner while watching the Fuji.
I'll be my friend there.
I have your everything, including your frame.
Wow.
Nice.
Sige na, ikaw na everything. Parang pala pinag-outfit kita. Hindi ka nilalag.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
How's the tour?
Oh, very nice.
Very nice
I
po.
enjoy it.
Thank you so much po. So she's 95 years old po si Lola.
Yay! Sige, hindi ako makatayo.
Pakita mo yung Pilates body. Good job, Grandma.
Nakikita na ulit si Fuji. Good job po. Dito po tayo ma'am, sa kabila pong side. Yung pa-exit. May mga rentals din po dito ng kimono. You can wear kabuto and you can have a samurai.
Samurai style. Oh,
Yes.
so cool.
1, 2, 3.
Baka mahulog ka lang. Baka mahulog ako dyan. Focus ka lang. Baka mahulog ka nga. O ako naman, pwedeng pasolo naman. Ikaw na lagi. Gram, dito ka muna ha. Pasolo lang ako dyan. Okay. Ito na, laki.
Sige pa.
Baka mahulog ka ha.
Wow.
1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect.
Salamat.
They are maarte.
Arte, yes. Very much arte.
Oh.
Dito naman po sa silk. Made in Japan na silk.
I can't even feel it.
Nagpakita ulit si Mount Fuji, no? So we're here sa Konami, Japanese restaurant. Dito po kayo. Here's the Fuji. You can see Fuji here, right here. Sa side dito. Maybe you can sit here. Ayan pa. Explain ko lang po yung menu nila. Ito po yung menu. So, this is the Hoto. Yung ano nila, only here in Yamanashi. Yung thick noodles with vegetables. Then, meron po siyang set na ito po meron siyang Hoto na maliit lang. Ito malaki. Ito po is smell, then tempura, ano po siya, obento, then trout po. Then there's also a lot of menu here. There's a eel din, unagi, ebi fry, and set like this one, the combo meal with a pork cutlet, and so much more po. Ako po, usually I order this one, this melt po. Tapos, ito rin po, sikat sa kanila, tempura with Hoto and eel po. Yeah, eel din, sikat din sa kanila to. If you want some sashimi din, there's a sashimi. Then, ito, meron din silang, of course, sashimi if you want to try. Hello po. How was the food po? How was the food?
That's very good.
Very good po. Naubos. Wow. Okay po? Sarap? Okay. Ayun na po yung Lawson sa atin on our left side. Yung famous Lawson po. Last stop natin po sa famous Lawson. We can do it. Dito po magandang spot. Around here. One step po sa sa left. Yes. Perfect. Any pose? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Kayo po sir. 1, 2, 3. Solo po ma'am. 1, 2, 3. How about you sir? You want to join ma'am?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Let's go, Grams.
I think we can walk to the hotel from here.
Tapos na. Thank you po. See you tomorrow po. See you tomorrow po. See you again, sir.
We'll take care of that tomorrow.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye. So yan. Tapos na natin yung tour nila Ma'am LJ and guess what? Natipan ako ng $100. And maraming salamat Ma'am LJ and sir and kay Grandma. Ayan, may tip tayo na $100. So thank you so much po. Bukas susunduin natin for airport transfer. Actually si sir hindi siya makakasama kasi may iba daw siyang flight. Ang Indonesia yata siya pupunta. So si Ma'am LJ lang and her grandmother yung susunduin natin bukas and last day nila. So ayun, kita-kits po tayo ulit bukas. Bye-bye. Good day. So Team EK Jonard here. So ayan, last day nila Ma'am LJ. So ayan, samahan natin sila sa airport. Hatid natin. Na, dito na tayo sa Terminal 2. Si Lola, 95 years old. Hanapin lang natin kung saan silang gate. Hello ma'am, yung PAL po 427 is sa Q.
Sa Q. Kaya mo ba? Ang Q. Nasa H na tayo. Kaya mo ito.
Tara po sa Q.
Yayabang ka kanina.
Excited po kayo?
Of course.
Of course.
Alam na akong hindi nakaka-uwi.
Mga ilang years po?
Ako, ilang years na ako.
Ilang years na. Sige po.
Kaya sabik na ako.
Sabik na po.
Alam. Baka magdapa ka, baka nakakalakad.
Kasi biruin nyo naman ma'am, tingnan nyo, 95 years old, nakakalakad pa, ang lakas.
Agad, hahawakan pa kita, sabi niya. Hindi na.
Parang nasa 60s pa lang kayo ma'am eh.
Kaya kami hindi magkaintindihan. Kasi hahawakan pa kita. Gusto mong pambimili ng pasalubong.
Ang dami yung gustong pasalubungan.
Oo, dahil doon sa pasalubong.
Opo.
Kasi
Ayan.
hindi na raw ako makakalakad. Baka mamanggaraw ako.
Ang lakas-lakas nyo pa nga eh.
Sabi ko nakakalakad pa ako.
Enjoy po kayo sa Pilipinas.
O, ayan pala si
Ayan na si sir. Hello sir. Enjoy your vacation po. Thank you po, thank you po. Thank you so much ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you sir. Have a safe trip. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. So ayun. Natin na natin sila Grandma and Ma'am LJ and her husband sa Narita Terminal 2. So on the way sila, magba-vacation sila sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat Ma'am LJ. So ingat po kayo lagi. And kay Grandma, maraming salamat din. And kay Sir. So let's go back na sa susunod na vlog natin ulit. Bye-bye!